Hey there, passionate bloggers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online blogging, an incredible opportunity to share your knowledge, express your creativity, and make money from the comfort of your own home. If you're eager to turn your blog into a profitable venture, then this video is for you. So, let's explore the strategies and steps to help you monetize your online blog and start making money. Let's get started. Segment 1. Define your blogging niche. The first step to monetizing your blog is defining your blogging niche. Identify your passions, expertise, and target audience. Finding a specific niche allows you to stand out, attract a dedicated audience, and tailor your content and monetization strategies accordingly. Segment 2. Create high-quality and valuable content. Creating high-quality and valuable content is key to attracting and retaining readers. Offer unique perspectives, share actionable advice, and provide solutions to your audience's problems. Focus on quality over quantity and strive to make each blog post engaging and informative. Segment 3. Build a strong online presence. Building a strong online presence is essential for monetizing your blog. Optimize your blog for search engines to increase organic traffic. Leverage social media platforms to promote your content and engage with your audience. Develop an email list to nurture relationships and stay connected with your readers. Segment 4. Establish your brand and identity. Establishing a strong brand and identity sets you apart in the crowded blogosphere. Develop a unique brand voice, create a captivating logo and visual identity, and consistently reflect your brand across all platforms. Your brand should resonate with your target audience and convey your values and expertise. Segment 5. Implement display advertising. One of the most common ways to monetize a blog is through display advertising. Sign up with ad networks like Google AdSense or Mediavine to display targeted ads on your blog. As your traffic grows, so does your potential ad revenue. Optimize ad placements for a seamless user experience. Segment 6. Explore affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative monetization method for bloggers. Partner with relevant companies and promote their products or services through affiliate links. Earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your blog. Ensure transparency and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Segment 7. Offer sponsored content and brand collaborations. As your blog gains traction, brands may approach you for sponsored content or collaborations. Partner with brands that align with your values and target audience. Create sponsored posts, product reviews, or sponsored social media content. Maintain authenticity and disclose sponsored content to your readers. Segment 8. Develop digital products. Capitalize on your expertise and create digital products to sell on your blog. This can include ebooks, online courses, templates, or exclusive content. Leverage your blog's authority to offer valuable resources and monetize your knowledge. Segment 9. Provide freelance writing or consulting services. Showcase your writing skills and industry expertise by offering freelance writing or consulting services. Establish a Hire Me page on your blog, outlining the services you offer. Pitch your skills to potential clients or collaborate with other bloggers or businesses. Segment 10. Engage and connect with your audience. Finally, success in monetizing your blog lies in engaging and connecting with your audience. Respond to comments, encourage discussions, and actively participate in your blog's community. Foster a loyal following and listen to your readers' feedback to continually improve your content and offerings. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and strategies to monetize your online blog and turn your passion into profit. From defining your niche and creating valuable content to implementing various monetization methods, engaging with your audience, and expanding your offerings, you're ready to take your blog to the next level. Remember, success takes time and dedication. So stay consistent and continuously adapt to the ever-evolving blogging landscape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on blogging and online entrepreneurship.